how to buy my Twitter Dave token. So this token came under the symbol of Fumbler. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 19 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your French wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. As you can see, click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Fumbler token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.